Today I'm going to show you something pretty crazy. What if you could deploy your own AI assistant in about 60 seconds and have it help run tasks across 800 different apps? That's exactly what OpenClaw does. Instead of just answering questions like a normal chatbot, OpenClaw can actually do things for you. It can research topics, draft emails, organize tasks, and even automate parts of your workflow. And the best part is, you don't need to be technical to use it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how OpenClaw works, how you can get started quickly, and a few simple examples so you can see what it actually does in real time. So first, what exactly is OpenClaw? The easiest way to think about it is like a smart AI agent. Most AI tools are just chatbots. You ask a question and they give you an answer. But OpenClaw goes a step further. It can understand a task, figure out what steps are needed, and then actually carry out those steps. So instead of asking an AI for information and then doing everything yourself, OpenClaw can help handle parts of the process automatically. For example, it can research topics, write summaries, draft emails, organize to-do lists, and interact with tools you already use. Because OpenClaw supports over 800 integrations, it can connect to a huge range of apps and services that people rely on every day. If you're interested in giving this a try, we have a link in the description that lets you try this out today. Helps the channel out too. One of the most interesting things about OpenClaw is how fast you can get started. You can deploy an OpenClaw instance in about 60 seconds. That means you can launch your own AI agent environment almost instantly. Once it's running, you simply open the interface and start giving the agent tasks. From that point on, everything happens through a simple chat interface. You just describe what you want, and the agent gets to work. When you open OpenClaw, the interface is actually very straightforward. The main area is the chat window. This is where you talk to the agent and give it instructions, just like messaging an assistant. Then there's the tools and integration section. This shows the apps and services the agent can connect to. And finally, there's the activity log. This shows the steps the agent takes while completing a task, but the main thing to remember is simple. You don't need to learn commands or code. You just describe what you want in plain English. Let's try a simple example. Imagine we want the agent to research something for us. We could type something like, research the best productivity apps for students and give me a short summary. Once the message is sent, the agent begins working through the task. It might search for information, review sources, and then generate a clear summary of the results. The important thing here is that OpenClaw can combine multiple steps automatically. Instead of you searching, reading, and summarizing everything yourself, the agent helps handle that process. Now let's try another example that shows how this can help with everyday work. Instead of research, we can ask the agent to create something. For example, we could ask it to write a short professional email confirming a meeting tomorrow at 10 in the morning. Within seconds, the agent generates a clean draft. You can edit it, adjust the tone, or use it exactly as it is. This might seem simple, but when you multiply that across dozens of emails or tasks every day, it can save a lot of time. One of the biggest strengths of OpenClaw is its integrations. OpenClaw supports over 800 integrations. That means it can connect to a huge range of tools and services, things like productivity app, communication platforms, file storage tools, scheduling systems, and many others. Because of these integrations, the AI agent can actually interact with your workflow. Instead of just giving suggestions, it can help bridge different tools together and automate parts of your daily routine. If you're just getting started with OpenClaw, here are a few simple tips. First, give clear instructions. Instead of something vague like help with work, try something specific like summarize these meeting notes. Second, start with small tasks. Once you understand how the agent behaves, you can start experimenting with bigger workflows. And third, always review the output, especially when tasks involve integrations or external tools. So that's a quick beginner look at OpenClaw. You can deploy your own instance in about 60 seconds, connect it to hundreds of integrations, and start using AI agents to help automate everyday tasks. Tools like this are changing how people interact with software. Instead of jumping between dozens of apps, you can simply describe what you want and let an AI agent help carry it out. And this is just the beginning of what tools like OpenClaw will be able to do. Thanks for watching.